everybody, it's Dr. Tim Harrigan. I want to talk to you for a minute about the most important thing in regards to supplementation and our health. Enzymes are the most important thing that we recommend to people, that I take for myself, that my family takes. Enzymes. You can get a lot of different information, different books out there, and I would recommend at least reading 2 different books on enzymes. These enzymes are more important than any vitamin or mineral that you've ever taken. Enzymes are kind of like the spark, the energy, the catalyst to chemical reactions and why your minerals and vitamins are actually utilized in the body. But enzymes are so important, but we don't want to take digestive enzymes. We want to take food-based enzymes, comprehensive, full spectrum, where you're going to get every stage of breakdown of proteins, sugars, fats, lactose, gluten. These are all just macros that need to be broken down. They're the most powerful thing that we do with people. Now I want to talk about 3 different categories. We have metabolic enzymes, digestive enzymes, and then the food enzymes. That's what I'm talking about here. Don't run out and buy a digestive enzyme. Most of those have animal parts. Most of those have stomach acid or hydrochloric acid in them. Those are not the ones we want to supplement with because my body produces those. I want to supplement with the ones that come from food because those are essential. Remember, we rarely want to supplement with something that my body actually produces, or I'll shut down that production of it, okay? So let's talk about enzymes and healing. Whether it's a disc issue in your low back, a migraine, a sprained ankle, gut inflammation, all healing occurs with enzymes and ATP, okay? All healing. Most people are so deficient in enzymes, we're born with a certain bank account, and we're either withdrawing more enzymes or we're adding enzymes to that bank account throughout our life. So if I'm born with a deficient bank account, I run out even sooner. And that's when we get things like lactose intolerance, gluten sensitivities. We might get uric acid crystals that build up in our body, causing joint pain or arthritis. Everything is really around enzymes. If I'm deficient in enzymes and I don't have an abundant amount, when I heal a disc or a sprained ankle, for example, the enzymes rush down there to keep healing that area over whatever certain period of time it is. But every time you eat something, your body's #1 priority is to actually absorb and assimilate your nutrients, right? Or we're not around very long. So when I eat a snack, the enzymes leave that sprained ankle, they leave that migraine, they leave that disc issue in my back. That area stops healing temporarily, typically for the next 2 to 4 hours while I digest that meal or snack. Now think of people that eat 3 to 6 times a day, or they're snacking throughout the day. You're literally taking enzymes away from your healing process. So when we flood the body with certain food enzymes, you don't take away from that, okay? So you'll heal 2 to 3 times faster if you flood the body with enzymes, things like proteolytic enzymes, a product we use called Recovery or Digestive Blend. So we want to keep those enzymes feeding our bank account because when we have an injury, every time you eat, you're slowing down that injury. The healing process literally shuts down or slows down because we're not full of enzymes. We want an abundant amount. We want to supplement with food enzymes so that we create a bigger bank account. So I have less lactose intolerance. So I have less gluten sensitivities. So I have less blood sugar issues or uric acid issues. Flood the body with these food enzymes. It's so important in order for us to heal properly, which we're constantly doing. So we want to make sure we're giving our bodies everything we need to accelerate our healing throughout the day. Thanks.